I'm gonna chase down those greaser dogs, get back what's mine, and tie them to a tree. Dog, help!
I smell a tasty beverage.
Can't breathe. I did it! I did it! Yo, dog! I did it! I'll eat those bugs for breakfast!
Very big taste.
Dog?
Yes, Cat?
How can it be? I do all the work, he gets all the bulk? Why? It's not fair! Choco muscle.
Oh, the pressure's too much. Oh, he's huge. I give it up. I can't take it anymore.
Of course. Oh, dog.
Yes, Cat?
Look at you, the definition. You are ripped. You are cut like a diamond.
Why, thank you, Cat.
Well, you're just about big enough to teach those greaser dogs some respect.
As in, fight them? I don't believe in violence.
Oh, no, of course not. Oh, you kidding? I'm just talking about a peaceful deterrent, like our nuclear arsenal.
I don't think so.
Well, I guess there'll be no more of these delicious drinkies. Hey, looking good, champ. Yeah, buddy. Is that all you got? Come on, Sparky, show me something. Work it out. Hey, way to go, dog. Work that up for buddy. Yeah. You've got plenty of muscle, but I got what it takes. Up here.